Okay, Fáilte, and welcome to Irish with Ian. This series of video lessons specifically aimed at getting you speaking Irish. We're not going to be doing any reading work, we're not going to talk about grammar, we'll not be worried about the spelling or writing of Irish. It's just about programming your brain to speak Irish in a natural way. And we're not going to start off with even hello. We're not GH, Kajimaratatu. You can look those up on the internet, they're boring anyway. We're going to get stuck straight in to asking for things, saying what you'd like to have. And the way it works is that whenever I introduce a new thing and ask you a question, you have to pause the video, say it out loud, and then you can listen to the rest of the video and see whether you got it right or not. You can't do this when you're ironing, okay? You can't do this when you're doing the dishes. You can't do it when you're driving, right? You have to be focused on the video. You have to pause it and you have to speak out loud or it doesn't work. So, to say I would like, it's bawailyum. Bawailyum. Just repeat that. Bawailyum. It breaks down. Bawailyum. Put it all together. Bawailyum. Now, what would you like? We're going to say a cup of tea. Obviously, everyone wants a cup of tea, right? Cup and tea. Just repeat that. Cup and tea. Cup and tea. Now, how do you say, I would like a cup of tea? Pause the video. Yeah, well done. Bawailyum cup and tea. That's it. Now, what if you want tea? You want coffee? Coffee's cafe. Cafe. How do you say cup of coffee? Cup and coffee. Sinead. Cup and coffee. Now, how do you say I'd like a cup of tea? Bawailyum cup and tea. Well done. How would you say I'd like a cup of coffee? Bawailyum cup and coffee. Well done. If you want to add on please, it's le dahul. I'm sure you know that already. Le dahul. I'd like a cup of tea, please. Bawailyum cup and tea le dahul. Well done. Now, a cup of tea is wee, right? You want a wee cup of tea? So, to say small or wee, we're going to add in the word big. Big. Where do we put it? We put it after cuppan because it's the cup that's small, okay? Cup and bug tea. Say a wee cup of tea. Yeah, cup and bug tea. How would you say I'd like a wee cup of coffee? A wee cup of coffee. Bawailyum cup and bug coffee. Please. Le dahul. Well done. Now, other things we might want to drink, okay, could be a pint. Pinta. Just say it. Pinta. I'd like a pint. Yeah. Bawailyum pinta. Pint of what? Shall we say a pint of Guinness? How do you say a pint of Guinness? Pinta Guinness. And now I'd like a pint of Guinness? Yeah. Bawailyum pinta Guinness. Please? Le dahul. Bawailyum pinta Guinness le dahul. Now, although pint is theoretically always the same size, right? We're going to say, I want a big pint of Guinness. And big is the word more. Where do you think you put the word more in the Irish? A big pint of Guinness. Go on. Yeah, pinta more Guinness. How would you say, I'd like a big pint of Guinness? Bawailyum pinta more Guinness. Into my. Well done. How do you say, I'd like a wee cup of tea? Bawailyum cup and bug tea. Yeah. How then would you say, I'd like a big cup of tea? Bhfuilm cupan more tea. Good stuff. Bhfuilm cupan more tea. Now, what else might we like to drink? I'm thinking water, okay? Water is ishka. Ishka. What's a pint of water? Yeah, pinta ishka. Say, I'd like a pint of water, please. Yeah, Bhfuilm pinta ishka le dahal. Could you ask for a pint of tea, please? Bhfuilm pinta tea le dahal. Feeling thirsty? How would you ask for a big pint of coffee? Bhfuilm pinta more coffee le dahal. Very good. Now, if you don't want a full pint of Guinness, you might ask for a glass, okay? Glass is glynne. Glynne. So, a glass of Guinness is glynne Guinness. What about a glass of water? Yeah, glynne ishka. Okay, can you say, I'd like a glass of water, please? Bhfuilm glynne ishka le dahal. Now, just remind me how to ask for a wee cup of tea, please. Bhfuilm cupan bug tea le dahal. Now, maybe you want milk with your tea, so that would be buanya is milk. Just say it, buanya, buanya, and to say with milk, I'm going to say le buanya. Just repeat, le buanya. Now, how would you say a cup of tea with milk? Cupan tea le buanya. What about a cup of coffee with milk? Cupan coffee le buanya. How would you say a pint of milk? Pinta buanya. Well done. I would like a cup of tea with milk, please. Bhfuilm cupan tea le buanya le dahal. Well done. How would you ask for a cup of coffee with milk? Bhfuilm cupan coffee le buanya le dahal, please. Now, what else can we have in our drinks? Sugar, maybe? Easy. Sucre. Sucre. How would you say with sugar? Le sucre. Can you say tea with sugar? Tea le sucre. And coffee with milk? Coffee le buanya. Well done. The word and in Irish is agus. So now we can put the whole thing together. Tea with sugar and coffee with milk, please. Tea le sucre agus coffee le buanya le dahal. Well done. Say, I would like coffee with sugar. Bhfuilm coffee le sucre. I would like tea with milk, please. Bhfuilm tea le buanya le dahal. Now, can you ask for a pint of Guinness? Bhfuilm pinta Guinness. What about a pint of water? Bhfuilm pinta ishka. Well done. We're going to finish off by developing the sense of water in the whiskey, right? We'll do that by adding on ba, ishka ba, the water of life, okay? Can you say, I would like whiskey? Bhfuilm ishka ba. What about a glass of whiskey? Glynne ishka ba. What about a pint of whiskey? Pinta ishkaba. Can you say, I would like a pint of whiskey and a glass of Guinness? I meant to say that the other way around, but let's go with it. I'd like a pint of whiskey and a glass of Guinness, please. Bhaileum pinta ishkaba agus glynne Guinness lidahal. Now let's do it the right way around. I'd like a pint of Guinness and a glass of whiskey, please. Bhaileum pinta Guinness agus glynne ishkaba lidahal. Well done. Well, we're not going to rip the ass out of it. I think we're going to call it a day for now, and we'll think about getting some food with our drink in the next video. Feel free to watch the video again. You probably won't have to, really, but you are going to have to do the videos in order if you're interested in following them, because it's called spaced repetition. There's a lot of repetition in them, and we'll continue to repeat this language in the next video to fix it into your brain. I hope you enjoyed it. Slán.